Let me start explaining your for loop. Okay, I have two pointers here. One pointer is for I and another pointer is for j. Okay, um, and each loop is going to repeat it for 3 times. Okay, I'm going to make it as a matrix now for your better understanding. So column wise it is j, 2 and 3, and row wise it is I. Okay, we have some gaps, 2 and 3. Okay, this green is for I, j, and red is for I. Now I'm going to check I equal to 1. Yes, I is less than 3, condition is true. I'm going to enter into my block. Okay, if my condition is true, I'm going to enter into my block. This is my block. Okay, what is this block is telling? What is this block is trying to say to me? I'm going to create one more for loop, and that for loop is initialized with a value of 1. Okay, so j is also 1. Again I'm going to check whether j is less than 3. I mean 1 is less than 3. Yes, it is true. Then it comes into my inner body of my for loop. So what is my inner body of my for loop? Inner body of my for loop is this system dot out dot println of I comma j. So I'm going to list it in the matrix of your output. So what is my I value now? My I value is 1. So let me have some other color. So have it in magenta. So my I value is 1 and j value is 1. Okay. Next, the condition is the body of my loop is executed. Then I have to move for j increment. Okay, so now j value is incremented to 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. So where is my 2? This is my 2. Okay, so what I should do, what is the value of I now? I is always same, so it is 1. Only j is get incremented, so my j value is 2. Okay, so it has been printed. Okay, let me come up with now again the system.out.println has done it, and 1 and 2 is printed. Now again j value gets incremented. So j value incremented with 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, that is this position. This position again I am checking whether 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, it is true. Keep it in memory. If this place, if you don't specify equal to symbol, the condition gets false. Okay, within the 2 itself the conditions will be ended off. I have specified less than or equal to, so it also includes 3. So my condition is true, it comes here. System.out.println will be executed, so automatically 1 and 3 will be printed. Okay, now again j will be incremented. If j is incremented as 3 plus 1 equal to 4, it will check for the condition 4 is less than or equal to 3. If here the condition plays a vital role, 4 is less than or equal to 3 means the condition gets failed. So now my j loop gets terminated. J loop gets terminated and jump it to my incrementation of I. Okay, j loop get terminated and then it goes for incrementation of I. So what is the value of I already? Value of I is 1. Okay, now 1 plus 1 is 2. So here it comes. Now the I value gets incremented to 2. Okay, again it comes to the body of my, again with the value of I as 2, it comes with the body of this loop, and again j will be initialized with value of 1, and then condition checked 1 is less than 3, so print the value of I and j. So now I is 2 and j is 1. Again increment the value of j. So it is incremented to 2. So I is 2 and 2 is less than 3. Yes, condition true. Again it comes system dot out dot println succeeded good. Okay. Then j is again incremented to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. It comes here 3 is less than or equal to 3. Yes, correct. So again it comes to system dot out dot println. So again it prints the value of I and j. Again it has been printed. So when I try to increment j value, 4 is less than 3. 4 is less than or equal to 3 in the sense my condition gets failed. Okay. So that my control will get my j loop gets terminated and it comes here and I will be incremented with 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now I value will be specified as 3. Okay. Now I pointed out here I value will be 3. Come here again j is incremented assigned with value 1. 1 is less than 3. Yes. Print the value of I and j 3 and 1. And again increment the value of j 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes. Condition true. Print the value of I and j. I is 3 and j now value is 2. Okay. Increment the value of j. Now 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So if you come here 3 is less than equal to 3. Yes, condition true. Print the value of I and j 3 comma 3. Again increment the value of j. Again increment the value of j. So 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Condition failed. So I am going to terminate this loop and come here and I am going to increment I value. I value is 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 again it is 4. So this condition gets failed. So entire for loop gets winded off. So finally your output will be your output will be of this way. This is your output. So this is about your nested for loop. This is one simple example and most frequently asked example in interviews to draw your pyramid structure. Usually it is done with for loop. Sometimes you will be asked to draw this kind of pyramid structure without for loop also. Okay. So just go through it, ma. You'll be find it with answer. Do I want to explain? Yes. Let me explain for this. So again you have I and j concept. If I equal to 1, so I will repeat it for 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns I have been splitted. So 5 columns. So j will be starting with 1. So I is less than or equal to j is less than or equal to I, then print star. Okay. J equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 1. Yes, condition true. Star 1 star. Okay. Then I increase the value of j. J will be incremented with j will be incremented with 1. J to be incremented with 1 in the sense j value equal to 2. 2 is less than or equal to I. What is my I value? I value is 1. 2 is so here you will be incremented with this kind of stars and then again increment the value of j. j is again incremented with 2 3. So